Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Before you spend money upgrading your router, try extending your existing Wi-Fi coverage with the Wavlink WL-WN518W2 Wi-Fi range extender. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to manually configure this extender and connect it to your home network. We'll cover every step, from accessing the setup page to verifying a successful connection. If you're ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal and enjoy better coverage, let's jump right into the tutorial. Firstly, insert the Wavlink WL-WN518W2 into a wall outlet close to your wireless router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. This usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. Do not place the extender too far from the router during the initial setup. Using a laptop or smartphone, search for the default Wi-Fi network of the repeater. SSID often starts with Wavlink. Connect to it. Open a web browser and type 192.168.10.1 into the address bar. Use the default login credentials, usually admin, for both username and password. Once logged in, select repeater mode from the options. You'll be asked to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your primary network and enter the password. The extender will search for nearby wireless networks. Wait for the scan to complete. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Select your home Wi-Fi network, SSID. Click Next. If your network doesn't appear, click Refresh. Move the extender closer to your router. Ensure your router is broadcasting the SSID. Type your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive. Enter the same password used to connect your devices to the router. Click Next. You can either, Option 1, Recommended. Keep the same Wi-Fi name as your router. Or Option 2, create a different Wi-Fi name, for example, Home Wi-Fi_EXT. This helps you easily identify the extended network. Click Next. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.